through culture, we are more united than divided. Of course, this is dependent upon certain common fundamental principles of human society and culture that unite us. These are, in my view, the basic goodness of men and women. Secondly, the harmonious nature of humanity in relation to the universe and the unique quality of creative and innovative thinking, which separates human beings from the lower beasts and animals. Shakespeare expressed this most beautifully as man and women as the crown of creation. When we live and understand one another in light of these ideas, we communicate, we cooperate, we discover and find friendship and trust. We build bridges between cultures. As Xi Jinping's extremely important latest initiative for a global civilization initiative reflects this. Naturally, there are differences and they must be respected, but they do not need to divide us. Rather, in the best sense, they teach us to learn from each other. Unfortunately, the present ongoing effort to demonize China coming from the US, the UK, and the G7 is based on a combination of fear and virtual total ignorance of both modern China and the great history of over 5,000-year-old civilization. I fully respect the sovereign choice of political system of the People's Republic of China, yet I see the Belt and Road Initiative emerging out of this very long and profound history of China. Western political leaders presently lack any insight into this great long history. They are trapped in a philosophical basement of Western philosophical thinking, Hobbesian view that sees men and women fundamentally as only evil and egotistical. Therefore, they operate on the law of the jungle. They consider brute force to be the solution to problems, and they cannot and do not trust others. And this is creating the basis for the great geopolitical conflicts that are terrorizing and tragically affecting the human race at the moment. This kind of Hobbesian view, this lacks any substance in protecting or defending human rights. However, from my view, there is a bridge that is both a true basis for optimism as well as cross-cultural understanding that will and can unite both East and West in the right spirit.